The orange line of Riyadh Metro has made traveling to downtown Riyadh and airport more convenient and affordable for people living in Tuwaiq, Laban and Muzamia. In this video, we are going to talk about that how much time does it take from here to downtown Riyadh and airport, how many metros we'll have to take and which route we have to take to get there, and considering the time whether it still makes sense to use this metro or you are better off using Uber. So right now I'm at the Jeddah Road Metro Station of the Orange Line. This is the first metro station of the Orange Line. Once you enter the metro station, you see an elevator. The platform is on level 2. So you take this elevator, you go to the first level. Then you take a right, and then after walking for some time you'll see that the gates are on your right hand side. You enter using your DAB card or Apple Pay. Once you enter, you have to take another elevator on your left. Once you take that elevator, you finally reach to the platform. As you can see on the map, we have started at Jeddah Road of Orange Line. From there, we'll go to Qasr Al Hukam. Here, we'll deboard the metro and we'll change the metro to the Blue Line metro. And the Blue Line metro, the first thing that we are going to check is the downtown Riyadh timing. So the downtown has different meaning for different people. For us, we have considered Alinma Bank to be downtown Riyadh because this is the area where Olaya is there, and this is where the maximum work happens. So we have considered this to be downtown Riyadh. If you have to go to the airport, you have to go further up till the KFD station. From there you have to deboard the metro and change the metro to yellow line, which will take you to the terminal 3, terminal 2 and terminal 1. I boarded the metro and started a timer to check how much time it takes to reach downtown Riyadh and the airport. I've deboarded the metro at Qasr Al Hukam. It took almost 32 minutes to reach here from Jeddah Road. We'll change here for Blue Line, which will take us to downtown Riyadh. Changing to Blue Line, you need to take the elevator and go straight. Then on the right hand side, you'll see the elevators to go further up. You take this elevator and the platform will be on the right. So we are at the Blue Line station of Qasr Al Hukam. To reach the downtown, we can get down at Alinma Bank, and if you want to go to the airport, you need to change at KFD for yellow line and get down at whichever terminal you want to go. As you can see, we have boarded the metro. Now let's meet directly at Alinma Bank. We've reached Alinma Bank. It took 52 minutes to reach here from Jeddah Road. Now even in peak hours, you'll not take more than 40 minutes to reach Olaya from Tuwaiq. So if time is a priority, metro is not the best bet. But taking the metro is at least 8 times cheaper than taking the Uber. The metro costs you 4 Riyal, whereas the Uber take almost 30 Riyal. So if you want to save money and you have free time, Metro is more sensible choice. So we have reached KFD station. It took almost 1 hour and 10 minutes to reach here. From here we'll change to yellow line, which will take us to the airport. Change for yellow line, you need to go 2 levels below. So you need to take the elevator, go down, walk straight a bit, and on your left you'll see another elevator which will take you to the platform. It took 1 hour and 45 minutes to reach Terminal 5. So we have reached Terminal 3. It took us 1 hour and 48 minutes to reach here. The Uber will take almost 1 hour to take you there. So if time is a priority, definitely Uber is a better option. But it is 18 times cheaper than the Uber. Uber will cost you 75 Riyal and this will just cost you 4 Riyal. So this was a little something about your journey from Tuwek to Terminal 3 and downtown Riyadh. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.